In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to only use these 5 Stremio add-ons. First, open the Stremio app on your device and sign in to your account. This part is important because your installed add-ons are usually connected to your account, which means your setup can sync across multiple devices. So if you use Stremio on more than one screen, the changes you make here may appear everywhere you're signed in. Once you're inside the app, go to the add-ons section. You can do that by clicking or tapping the add-ons icon. After that, open My Add-ons or Installed Add-ons, depending on how it appears in your version of Stremio. This is where you'll find the full list of add-ons currently installed on your account. Now take a moment to decide which 5 add-ons you actually want to keep. The goal here is to simplify your setup and keep only the ones that match how you use Stremio. For example, you might want a mix of content catalog add-ons, subtitle add-ons, metadata add-ons, streaming source add-ons, and discovery add-ons. Think about which ones you rely on most often and which ones improve your viewing experience the most. After you've chosen your 5, start removing the add-ons you no longer need. Find one add-on you want to get rid of, click uninstall, and then confirm the removal. Continue doing this one by one until only your preferred add-ons remain installed. Going slowly here can help you avoid deleting something you still use, especially if several add-ons have similar names or functions. When you're done, close Stremio completely and then reopen the app. Restarting the application helps refresh the add-on configuration and make sure the changes are fully applied. Once Stremio opens again, check your add-on list and confirm that only the 5 you selected are still there. Finally, test your setup. Search for a movie or TV show and make sure your selected add-ons are providing results as expected. You should also verify that subtitles are working correctly and that your catalog still load the way you want. This final check helps confirm that your streamlined setup is functional and that you didn't remove anything essential. And that's it. You now have a cleaner Stremio setup with only the 5 add-ons you want to use, which can make browsing simpler and your overall experience more organized.